Hey guys, it is me, BC5 Gaming, and I've got some really bad news for people who use Google Plus. It's because Google Plus is actually going to shut down on April 2nd, 2019. Wow, that's like the day before my birthday. Oh my god. But anyway, here's the proof. You see, it says, you'll see what I mean? It says on April 2nd, 2019, the services will be shut down. I know it's... And see that? Shutting down Google Plus for consumer personal accounts on April 2nd, 2019. And that means that, we will have to go on to like use Twitter or Facebook or something like that. But what I'm trying to say is that we will not be able to use Google Plus on April when it approaches that day. I don't know why. Oh, yeah, wait. It says, in December 2018, we announced our to shut down Google Plus for consumers due to low usage and challenges involved in maintaining a successful product and meet consumers' expectations. We want to thank you for being a part of Google. Yeah, not even gonna read the whole thing, but anyway, we're sure gonna miss Google Plus on when it comes to that date. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.